Hi guys, today I want to do a quick review on this wonderful product, this earphone from KZ. So I bought this earphone from Lazada and during the 8 August promotion, and it's only costing around 23 ringgit inclusive of delivery charges. So it shipped all the way from China. So I would say this is original KZ, and actually I have already opened up and listened to a couple of songs, and I'm very amazed with the sound quality of this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do like an unboxing, kind of like unboxing, but more like a sharing about what's inside the box, and share some of my experiences playing some songs. Okay, so let me first open the box. Okay, I slide it open and there's a plastic covering the beautiful earphone. So the one that I ordered is those transparent one. It looks kind of cool, right? So first of all, we need to open up or pull out the plastic cover. Okay, and in the box itself there's the cable. Okay, the cable is quite long, and also the pad, right? And to my surprise, the pad comes in 3 different sizes. So it already has the medium size installed. So it has a smaller size and it has a bigger size. So for my preference, right, I prefer the medium size because I'm an average Asian size, right? So my ears are kind of like more towards average. So in the box also it comes with the warranty card, comes with user manual or user guide. So I don't really need to use them because it's pretty straightforward. So the one that I ordered is with mic. Okay, it's with built-in mic. I bought this earphone because I've lost my Sony earphone. The Sony earphone is pretty average, cheap earphone, but that doesn't have mic, right? And the other one that I'm using before I change to this earphone is the Samsung. It comes together with the A31. The sound quality is average, but I somehow broke one side of the earphone, and one side is not coming with any sound, right? So that's why I decided to buy this. And also another reason is because I broke my Audio Technica headphone. Yeah, I've been using that headphone quite rough. The headphone has been with me for kind of like 4 years, but I'm using it for quite rough, and then it started to break down. I miss that headphone a lot. The sound quality of that headphone is super, right? It's very neutral. You can refer to my another video. So I want to share with you guys a little bit what I came across with it. So okay, in order for us to determine the left and right side, it's a bit challenging because there is engraving near the connector side to indicate left and right side. For me, I have to really use my spectacles and to really see it under bright sunlight for me to find out which one is the right side. So just to share with you guys, the side with the mic is the right side. Okay, so that's the trick. Okay, next we want to get the earphone out. So there's a glue in between. You just have to pull out from the back and push up from the front. That's how you get the earphone out. And you can see a beautiful X here. Okay, oh, before I forget, so this is the KZ-EDX series, right? Okay, and the right way to put the earphone is the connector needs to be at top like this. Okay, so the left side we have to put on the left side, right, of the earphone. So the left side is without the mic. Okay, So you just insert it like this. Okay, just be careful, the pin, you might break the pin, so you need to insert it carefully. Okay, that's how it looks like. On the right side, you need to insert it into the connector area. Okay, insert it firmly. Yeah, it's quite firm. Okay, I think you need to take extra care because you might break the pin if you use it roughly, but you still can purchase it from the KZ website or Lazada or Shopee. It looks cool. Okay, so couple of music I have tested on this earphone. The first one is the I love K-pop, so I listen to Lovesick Girls. So to my surprise, the bass is pretty punchy. I love the bass. It's not exaggerated. It's punchy, is nice. The vocal is pretty clear, and the high is sufficient. It's not too high because there are some earphones or headphones that give you extra high. Some people love the high frequency, right? For me, I can't because I have a bit ringing ears, tinnitus, so I'm quite sensitive to high. These earphones superb. The sounding is neutral. So the next song I listen is the Lisa, the Red Lotus, the OST for Demon Slayer. I love that song a lot. The vocal is clear, the bass is enough, it's not over-exaggerated, the high is good. Really enjoy the song a lot with this earphone. Okay, so the next song I try to listen to some oldies, some old jazz from Norah Jones, right? The bass is good. No, I always love Norah. Some vocal, the vocal is very clear. The high is not too much. So this earphones characteristic kind of like similar to my Audio Technica M40X. Is very neutral. It's not too exaggerated either the bass or the high, and the vocal is sufficient. Okay, guys, this is a pair of wonderful headphones because it only costs around 20 something ringgit. Okay, during promotion, and it sounds like headphone at the price of couple of hundreds ringgit, right? So get this earphone if you really love music and you want to get something cheap. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Love and subscribe.